Hello viewers, today for initial checkout we have a Uniden EXAI7980 900 MHz cordless telephone. And this telephone is in pretty bad condition. Not so much that it's dirty, it's just really beat up. It clearly was not taken care of very well by the previous owner. If this will unblur, you'll be able to see that the back of the telephone here is all marks on it everywhere. And there's some paint on here. See some scratches there down at the bottom as well, and of course on the front on the earpiece. So it's just in really bad condition overall. But we'll clean it up, and it may turn out okay if we really clean this well. The base isn't so bad. There's signs of wear on the, where the cradle sits, but it's otherwise not too bad. But it's unfortunate that this is in such bad condition because these telephones are getting old. These came out in the late 90s, and so many of these are around 20 years old now, and so it's getting harder to find them in general, but it's especially getting harder to find ones that are in good condition because a lot of them have been used for 20 years, and as they become, quote, obsolete, people tend not to take care of them very well. But anyways, we're going to take a look at this and see if it's still in operable condition. I don't see why it wouldn't be. Kind of interesting that the antenna is still okay. With how this was handled, I'm surprised the antenna hasn't broken yet. The base antenna is kind of limp for some reason. It's not too bad, but it should be a little bit tighter, so we'll tighten that up. Let's go ahead and ring this phone and see if it's working. Just make sure the ringer is on. The ringer is on. Okay, and let's turn, let's get auto talk on. Okay. Actually, you know what? We'll forgo the auto talk test because I want to be able to show the caller ID on video here so we know that's working. Okay, got the number entered in here. We're going to ring this up now. We got caller ID on the second ring, as is typical. I'll let that go one more time and then we'll answer it. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Transmit side seems to be good. Now we'll check the earpiece here. Let's see what volume this is on. This is on normal. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Does the handset sound good? Turn the volume up all the way. Now the volume is on loud. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that should be good. Let's check the bass speakerphone. Hello. It's muted. Hello. Oh dear. Check. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The bass speakerphone appears to work and sounds good. Hello, hello. The bass seems to transmit as well. Now, if this is in the bass and it's on speakerphone, and we pick it up, it should switch over to the handset. Okay, that worked. The wall mount thing is on wall mount, so perhaps this was wall mounted at some point. Alright, I think that's all we gotta do here for that, so we'll hang this up now. And now let's check the answering machine.
Hello. No one is available to take your call.
Hello, we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Thanks.
Okay, we're going to record a new greeting. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, now let's see. Put it on 2 rings. It was on Toll Saver, and we'll turn it on. I'm going to turn the volume down all the way so we don't have a feedback crisis. Although we probably still will.
Hello.
Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. That was not a good message. Sounds like it's working. Goodbye. Okay, we have a flashing 1 on here. Let's give this a play.
You have one new message.
Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. That was not a good message. Sounds like it's working. Right.
Thursday, 4:28 a.m. Thursday, 4:29 a.m.
Okay, it seems like it's keeping time. That message was actually pretty clear. That sounded good. So, okay. Let's see, we'll do a greeting, a voice memo. Voice memo test, 1, 2, 3.
You have one new message and one old message.
Voice memo test, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now we're gonna cancel
You
that
have
out.
one new.
Voice.
You have.
Okay.
6, 9.
It's got some vibration to it, so I'll have to look into that. See, there's no entries in the call log except for my call. Something sticky on number 7. Alright, well that looks to be fully operational. So, we're going to go ahead and get this refurbished. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.